Yeah, look, Bubba, I swear it was him. Yes, he was the one wearing the who farted hat right in the Secretary of State's chair in the cabinet room. Can you believe that? Here, I can't do this. I got this fella here standing here looking like an idiot in the door, and I got to go see about his water. All right, bye.
Can I help you?
Yeah, hell, I'm sorry. That was rude. Look, I need to take a look at your leak.
Oh, you mean the water dam?
Yeah. Look, I need to come in and take a look at it.
Do you have any ID or anything?
What you need to see an ID for?
I called 3 weeks ago. If you got some...
Why do you need to see something? Look, dead honest, I ain't got no driver's license right now because of a heretofore investigation that you can't comment on an ongoing investigation, okay? But here, how about my sportsman's license? Will that work? Here you go, look.
Potted Meat of the Month Club.
No, wrong card. It says right here, certifiable water inspector.
I mean...
But look, if you don't want to leak it, you better to come in and let me take a peeky.
I think I'll call somebody else.
Look, I know I come across as rude, but look, you really want me in there looking at that stuff. Look, I got tools. I'm the fella you want to look at all that damage. I mean, I got tools and everything. I mean, look.
Because everyone on your team represents your company, make sure every team member acts with the utmost professionalism and respect, representing you and your company according to your core values and code of conduct.
You better let me in to take a picky.